Over 500 million people enjoy our public lands each year. We enjoy such luxuries, in large part, due to the sacrifices made by our armed forces. Unfortunately, many of our vets struggle upon their return with something as simple as basic lack of housing. But you can help. Just visit HeroSoapCompany.com and place your order using coupon code BADGE at checkout. Not only will you receive a discount, but you'll be helping BADGE help our vets.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay-forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
Check out this fog. It's lifting from where the sun is rising. But check this out. How foggy it is back there. It's like that movie with the fog rolling in. Are we going to have scary monsters jump out and attack us? But oh my God, I think that's beautiful. I'm amazed. I'm in awe. Saucy, the Towboat chef. Today I am making a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, Thai style. And it's going to be for the barbecue pulled pork today. So I'll post the ingredients and then I'll show you how to put it together. Be right back. Here are the three ingredients. Chili sauce, Welch's grape jelly, the whole jar, and a half a jar of the sweet Thai style chili sauce. And I'll show you how I make it. Really easy. Okay, my mistake. It's two of these chilies. I don't know what I was thinking. Let me get it. Oh, yeah. There. Do it over like a medium-high heat. jar. Whisk it in together till that jelly is melted. And that's all there is to it. I'll show you in just a second. Don't take long at all. And it tastes so good. You all want to know another good sauce for pork? Go back on my Lollapalooza playlist, which I'll post above on the left hand side, and I'll post that video of my peanut butter and jelly barbecue sauce. You will love it. See, it's almost melted already. And see how it looks? It don't take long. You just only have to heat it up. And I'll be back in a few. And I'll show you when I pour it over the pulled pork. So be right back. Okay. There you go. It's all mixed in. And that's what it's supposed to look like. Be right back. I'm sorry for the vibration on this, but the whole boat is shaking. So we're going to try and hold it as still as possible. Alright, first off, doesn't this pork look good? Alright, it's going to look better here in a second. Pour it over. And drown it. And there we go, some barbecue pulled pork. Bring my other one over to help pull that apart. Be right back. And that's my sweet and spicy barbecue sauce Thai style. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please click on that subscribe, click on that little bell, click on that thumbs up, and leave a comment. I will respond to you. I hope you have an awesome day. And I know this was a quick video, but that's all it was. Something quick and easy. Alright, you all have a great day. I'll see you up the river, down the river, or on the road. Bye-bye.